In this video I'm showing how I fixed a problem on a 2012 Ford Focus where the plastic bezel around the headlight switch snapped and would no longer hold it in place. My wife and I are both pretty tall, so I suspect one of us probably just popped it with our knee when we were getting in and out of the car. From what I've seen online, it seems like this is a pretty common part that breaks. I searched around some and it looks like you can get replacement bezels for these, but I got a better idea. The replacement bezels I saw were about 20 bucks, but I already had zip ties in my kidnapping supplies, so zip ties it is. 14 inches to be precise. I just pulled up on the plastics a little bit, and there's a really narrow channel between the larger upper vent and the lower smaller vent that I was able to feed the zip tie through. The other end of the zip tie popped out the other side, and then I tucked it down in behind the plastics. Then I put the headlight control back into place and tightened the zip tie down. And I snipped the end off the zip tie just to clean it up. That's pretty much all there is to it. I gave all the knobs and buttons a test to make sure that they stayed put. I hope this was useful if you also have a clapped out Ford Focus that you're trying to keep from falling apart. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.